just take your pick. Joining adventures of the clique. With spots of chicken heads, get it, get it. Yes, y'all, a free for all. But let the diggity got his dirty balls in that pink. All in that crotch till it reeks, but cease. While I be rapping about these squads that I be juggling, they smothering. I'm sweating from the friction. Thought about rocking, but they be made me get protection. It's madness, it's mayhem. My is in the living room, getting it on. Your man is wall to wall, a variety of skins. Fucking till I feel my just busting and gushing until the rooster starts growing. Punani's flowing. They know the fat cat status round the clock. Brutal blows from the genital apparatus. So the tongue, the dildo, whatever floats your boat. The stroke, the freakiness that I provoke. Leaving soap, no joke. This is a fantasy in reality. Mass quantities of fine honeys fulfilling me. See, we love them all. Tricks. Jaws with big butts, dykes, hiders who slide mics, shorties who don't bite. You know that makes a night. Just a sexual orgasmic satisfaction is all I'm asking. So strap your hat and leave your egos at the door. But if you miss a swap ride, the click got much more in store. I got some in the living room, getting it on. And
they ain't leaving till 6 in the morning.
I got some in the living room, getting it on. And
they ain't leaving till 6 in the morning.
I got some in the living room, getting it on. And
they ain't leaving till 6 in the morning.
I got some in the living room, getting it on. And
they ain't leaving till 6 in the morning.
Yo, what's up, B? What's up? Got Johnny's coming through my door, licking belly buttons, coochies, and even licking hoes. They're on my living room floor. Yeah, and they getting it on until the early morning. Tactics, flats, and licks on my tipsy. I be licking clits until I trap my prophylactics. Fact is, that's always been my fantasy. Oh, how I dreamed the 5 Johnnies doing me, but now I see that dream to come true. Yes, they do. I probably couldn't handle more than 2, but my crew will fulfill with them cat skills. My squad to take my slacking. That be banging chuppies till my stick bounce back. Now it's time for round 2. I got to come through in the clutch. Them honeys are wishing to do me up, but can I be in to hitting skins with my friends? As long as them joints are of the age of consent, now they know how I flows, how I be stupid tricks, but yet and still they wants to get down with my clique. I got them shorties on the floor, plus the video to ensure that them joints don't try rape up the door. I kiss more cat than most brothers be getting sleep. That's right, I'm him. That brother all them suckers try to be. Now see how we play. Hey, we're getting it on and check it. I got to stay protected for what think I'm getting naked.
They ain't leaving till 6 in the morning.
I got some in the living room, getting it on.
They ain't leaving till 6 in the morning.
I got some in the living room, getting it on.
They ain't leaving till 6 in the morning.
I got some in the living room, getting it on.
They ain't leaving till 6 in the morning. They ain't leaving till 6 in the morning. They ain't leaving till 6 in the morning.